Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title is Online Bike Rental System. Now we are going to see the project abstract. So the system is named as Bike on Rental Management System. So the system is designed to help the customer to take bikes or two-wheelers on rent. When we go on any trip outside the town or a country, we want to be free of time, so instead of going through metros and taxis, we prefer to have our own vehicle for rent. We can provide a bike on rent for traveling, for hire a bike or scooter on rent. Seller will put their bicycle and bikes on lease. The clients can choose the bike according to the accessibility. After choosing the bike of their choice, they can book and pay online. Rental system has three model name: admin, user and vendor. Admin can log in, can add, update and delete vendor information and also bike list. You can view booking, user and feedbacks given by users. User can register on websites and then log in, can check off availabilities of bikes and book the bike of her choice and pay accordingly. Vendor can log in, update and delete the bike list and also can view booking. Now we are going to see the flow of the process. So here bike rental system. So here there are three main persons are there. One is admin, vendor and users. Admin can first they have to log in to the process and manage and create brands of the bikes and can create the price and the updation of price details of the bikes and then post into the page. So the vendor can manage, create brands and manage booking pages and subscribers and the details or information of bikes, all the things. User can register and log into the process. They can uh, view the bike listing, testimonials and everything. So if they want to choose the bike by their own choice, and they can know the date and time when they need from to dates to booking, and they pay the amount. After paying the amount, the admin can check and manage the bike bookings and they have to confirm the process. So now we are going to see the running process of the process. So here we have to have closed bike rental slash index.php. This is the main page, first page. So in this, if you need to the home, about us, bike listing, FAQ and contact us page. So here the bike listing is there. So there will be the contact and inquiry pages there. So in this, if you are a new user, means you have to first sign up here and register here. So confirm password. Then you have to just register. So registration is successful. You back to those and you have to just click login and you have to log in it using the email ID and password. So now you have login as a user. So here you have to have the profile setting. If you need to update the profile, where you are from, where is the data, what is the date of birth, where you are from, so in which country you are from, so in city which you are from. So and you have to click the save changes. So your profile will be updated successfully. So then if you need to update password or anything, you have to go to the update password and you have to update it. So otherwise, now we are going to iBooking. So there will be no booking is there, so you have to click the bike listing. So the list of bikes will be listed here. So if you choose any one bike, so now I choose okay, now I choose Suzuki R1. So this is the bike next page. So in this they have to mentioning the registration year and fuel type and the seats how much is there and accessories what all the benefits is there. So here there will be the booking no. So in this you have to just enter the date, so and you have to message any message, and you have to just click book, so the booking will successful. So you have to just click OK, so the booking. So now you have to go to the my booking page. So here not yet confirmed, so now we are going to admin page. So this is admin index page. Now this is the index page. Here you are to admin test at 12345. This is the password. So this is the main admin dashboard. First, if you need to change the admin password means you have to change it, otherwise the dashboard is there. So in this, what are all the things in the dashboard is this: you have to see the registered user, listed vehicles, total booking, listed brand, subscribers, queries, testimonials. So this is that dashboard. If you need to add a new brand means you have to create a brand and manage brand, all the things. Now you have to see the manage booking. So in this, now to forget. So if you confirm here, it will be confirmed. So now go to the first page and you have to just now click the my booking. So here the status will be changed as confirmed. So now back to the admin page. So here you have to create a brand. So the brand name, if you create a Suzuki. So now you have to manage brand. So now you create it, no? So now you have to update it. The brand is updated. Okay, so now you have to go to the vehicle, post the vehicle. Suzuki. So if you need to upload the images of that, you have to select and upload it. So now you have to manage vehicle. So here you see Suzuki Gixxer, so 150, so petrol now. So here come and see the bike listing. So here there will be the Suzuki Gixxer stack. So if you need to, so you have to see the registered user. So manage pages. To manage terms and conditions, here you have to update it. So and update contact infos. So manage subscribers. So these are all the things it is over here. And if you need to see the total bookings here. So thank you for watching this video.